Hello, Shannon Kennedy here from Eurolinguiste to share how I create flashcards in Memrise. For me, consolidation is really important in learning. This means collecting all the little bits and bobs I learned from different resources, my tutors, my course books, YouTube videos, podcasts, etc., and consolidating it all into one place. That's Memrise for me. And to do this, there are two main steps that I take. The first is I collect all of my notes and add them into a Google Sheet. It looks something like this. For notes I write by hand, I use dictation to digitize them. I created a video about how to do this, which I'll link below. So as you can see, I have all of the vocabulary and phrases I've learned collected here in this sheet. I update this sheet once a week. I have a reminder set to do this in Todoist, the app I use to keep track of all of my tasks, and at this point, I go through everything and add it to this sheet. You can see I have it organized by language and color-coded. Orange means I need to update the language, and green means the language is current. When I add new material to this sheet, I make sure that it's clean and consistent. I tend to remove all capitalization, 1, because it gives me a hint when I'm studying it, and 2, I can be consistent in this way. German is an exception in this case. I also run a duplicate check on the sheet to make sure I'm not adding something that's already in here. To do this, you set up conditional formatting by first selecting the column you'd like to run it on, then format, then conditional formatting, choose add a rule, then custom formula, and you enter equals count if, parentheses A, colon, A, comma, A1, parentheses close, the greater than sign 1. But of course you can see that here. So make sure A in this example is the letter of the column that you select. I then go through and remove any duplicates. After I update the sheet, I add the date it was last updated in a cell here, just for my own personal reference. Once I have this list updated, I then head over to Memrise. To create a new course in Memrise, you go to the Courses page and select the button at the top that says Create a Course. You fill out the information and get started. You'll see over here on the right, you have a little click down you can use to select Bulk Import. This is what I use. I go back over to my word list, copy the columns, and then paste it in here. I add it, and then voila, I update the course and it's ready to go. Now, let's say I want to add new words to an already existing course. I'll head back to my home screen and then choose Edit the course. I then have two options. I can add it to the level I already created. This will put the new words at the end of the list. Or if it's more urgent for me to study these new words, I can create a level so that they are at the front of a new list. I'll show you how to do both quickly. So to add them to the same list, you just click here again and then bulk import. That's it. To add them to a new level, you need to first create a new level. I recommend naming it once you do. Then you can just use the bulk import tool and hit save. That's it. I study these each a bit every day to make sure that the new vocabulary I am learning stays fresh. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more videos from me, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So let me know how you consolidate what you're learning. Or what do you do to learn new vocabulary? Let me know. I look forward to hearing from you.